In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to see blocked emails on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option Apps. For that, you'll need to scroll all the way down. Now from the list of apps, find Mail and launch it. Now here you're going to find different option. Head over to the option Blocked. Just scroll down. Here you're going to find list of all blocked contacts, including both email addresses and phone numbers. To unblock someone, just swipe left and tap Unblock. Now head back and navigate to the option Block Sender Options. Here you will see the marked Block Sender setting. By default, blocked emails are moved straight to the trash folder. So what you'll need to do is close this and launch your Mail app and head towards the trash section. Blocked emails will be there and you will see a small block tag at the top of each message. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find and manage your blocked emails on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.